The reality is currently the weight of the country is on your shoulders. We are literally looking at manners to come up with something because we are all praying, we are all thinking what could happen. What would your message of hope be to all South Africans as we sit with hope and anticipation of what will come out in Kimberley?
I think it's to be supportive.
Yeah.
And as much as you can support towards the communities that's affected, the families that's affected, the mine management that's affected. Yes, there are things that's wrong and there will be an inquiry and investigation thereafter. But I think when things go bad, don't go into a negative spree.
For sure.
It's a lot of pressure on every single person that's busy with that operation. I can assure you that. From the mine management down to the families, down to the community. You know, the Northern Cape is also a close-knit community. Not that I'm saying the other areas are not. But it was quite well taken when I filled up my car at the garage and I climb in, the guy says to me, "How far are you? What's happening there?" And I stop in the next town and I got the same question. I said, "We are busy. I've got guys on the ground and we're busy doing what we have to do." So yes, I think it's the support and the positiveness out there to say, let's see what's going to come from